spiders. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Where's the last one? Where's the last one? Oh, it's here! Yeah, and this is the elephant god from India representing wisdom. And that's the king cobra protecting him. They are really points. This one is looking at you. Be careful. Oh, keep going. We are now in the crocodiles and contours. They haven't been eating for 5 days. They are waiting for us. Look at those teeth, very sharp. We call them crocodiles. They call us food. Okay, now we are going to the campsite of Professor Potter. He's been doing a study of the gorilla. We will find out. Oh no, the gorilla is destroying the campsite. Stop shooting! Stop shooting! Wow! Very dangerous, naughty gorilla. Don't worry, we just passed by. Yeah, now we are in the Africa. What animals do you see here? Zebra, elephant, and shark. Yeah, very smart, good, all correct. Okay, let me ask you a question. Do you know how to recognize the boys and girls of the zebra? No, let me